welcome back, guys, to monthly. Let's say this one is going to be double, is monthly and weekly. Let's say meeting, mentoring call, group call, private group call. Obviously, we finished this previous month, May, and we already in June sitting. So it's June 2. So I'm quickly just gonna go with our recap, previous month recap, because I think it's really serious one. We never had, let's say, private records like this, and it is previous month it was online arbitrage leads 572, retail less 306, but it's because we invested huge amounts in online arbitrage activities. So each month we've been investing a lot. Like we see, numbers was increasing like crazy when we started. So only from 100, 200, 300, 400, and check this out what we got at the end. We got 593, and it's still not in full condition. All sourcing team was working. So it means upcoming month it's going to be even more. So it's ridiculous how online arbitrage increasing. I wasn't expecting by myself even this situation, but I think it's good because now you got wide range of arbitrage activities to do. Basically you can do lots of things: online arbitrage, retail arbitrage. So if you a little bit lazy, let's say, for you it's perfect this condition, because and we're gonna increase even more that position. Member findings is just the basics, 31, nothing special there too. It's just, like who wants, they sharing the information, what they finding, maybe something interesting. Amazon to Amazon flips, we got 1,429. This number is ridiculous, but it's ridiculous because of this bot integrations, extra ones. Which one? Obviously we got bot integrated in this section. Amazon to Amazon, new FBA and new FBM. We got some new FBA, there is some nice drops too in it. So, but remember that, like this one, each necessary deal is required your attention because it's automated deal drops. It's just automated price drops. So you need to always to double check. And most of the time, if it's good deal, it's going in minutes, some in seconds. So you need to be really, really fast on good deals. So it requires attention. It's not so easy to say after half hour and buy something. No, it's notification pops in, you need to double check. This is how it goes. And new FBM, not recommending, because this is majority is going to be our, let's say, sellers like us. So they can cancel that. If they getting price glitches, sold on price glitches, they can cancel that. Obviously it's not good for health account for them, but if you imagine selling for 200 and price glitch for £5, so obviously they're gonna cancel that. That's why it's better always to choose FBA options. Another one, which one we got bot integrated, is Mumu bot tracking, which one again there is options to choose extra Amazon drops to Amazon, like this one, Amazon UK deals over 80%. So this is even more fat options, and you can check. Obviously again you need to double check because it's automated price drops. You need to always to double check everything basically. So this situation with Amazon to Amazon leads, price drop leads, again crazy amounts of this situation. This 7,761 is this lead count is from section, I'm gonna show you exactly how it is, bot price drop monitor. So from this section, basically Argos, Boots. So Argos and Boots was going crazy, multiple thousands per month price drops, random ones. Some of them good, some of them not. So again, you need to double check what you're watching. And what else we got? Total is like this, and obviously some updates. If you want, just read it. Going into actual topic is going to be today basically Mental Picks retail arbitrage secrets, basically how to source as professional retail arbitrage sourcing activities, how to do that. So how Mental Picks doing that, how Mental Picks teaching that, let's say in private mentoring, who's taking calls or whatever. So I'm gonna give you some notes, let's say, and I think it's gonna be very important, and majority you should stick to this idea because it's gonna be successful, 100% successful. So first of all, I'm calling this, which one? I don't know, I'm calling this Mental Picks homework. You need to do homework, your area homework. You need to open your Google Maps or whatever maps and put points, what biggest stores you got in your area. I don't know, you decide, maybe 10 miles around, maybe 100 miles around, you decide. Choose all Asdas, all Tesco's. I'm talking about biggest one, not small ones, but biggest one. All extras Tesco, all extras, all Tesco superstores, all Asdas superstores, all big stuff related to retail arbitrage activities. Sainsbury's, Morrison's, Lidl, very popular Lidl, not doing too much, I noticed no one. Lidl, Aldi, what else? B&Q, B&M, Home Bargains, all these stores should be on your Google map or any map, just points. And you need to recognize that. Let's say if you're living all your life in specific area, it should be really easy for you to do that. I don't, and I'm still doing that. So for you who's British and living and you're born here in this country and you're born in the same city, you should know all ins and outs on your area. So you need to become professional. Don't give away your, let's say, areas to other sourcing people who sourcing randomly. So basically you're giving out your area. If you're living there, you should control that fully. Unpopular alternatives as retail stores. Again, best option, because it's not going to be so popular option. Option like Copart, these grocery stores, Copart. So when I was living in Leicester, there was some Copart store very, very far away from the city center, or just on the side of the city, and only country people going there, like to purchase something. And they had some nice kitchenware stuff, electronics stuff sections. They got that. Copart, not all stores got that, but this one specific got that. And always when I'm coming, I see some sales happening.
Sorry for cutting this off, but we got all this video about 1 hour Discord mentoring call available on our Discord private channel. So link below in description section. Join us, you're gonna love it. We got retail arbitrage leads, online arbitrage leads, all guidances related to Amazon FBA. You're gonna love it. Join us. Let's go.
Look, Ma!